Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to show or hide apps on Windows 10 a start menu. By default, when you click on this one a start button to open a start menu, you see the apps list that comes with pre-installed on Windows 10, or in case you have installed apps later, you will see all the apps here. In case you don't need this one list here, you can turn off this one settings. For that, click on this one start button and then click on this one settings option. Under settings, click on this one personalization. Under personalization, click on this one start option in the left sidebar. On the right, you need to turn off this one show app list in a start menu. After that, turn off show recently added apps. After that, turn off this one show most used apps. After that, click on turn off this one toggle switch that says show recently opened items in jump lists on a start or the taskbar and in the file explorer quick access. After that, close the settings app and again click on this one start button. You will not see any applications here that you had installed or whatever was comes with your Windows 10. However, just click on this one, hover mouse over this one icon. After that, click on this one all apps to see the apps entry on your Windows 10 PC. That's all about this video. Bye.